Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video we'll be making a black soap. This soap is for kids black soap. If you have toddler teenagers at home, this soap is for them. So we are going to be using 5 oranges, 6 carrots, palm oil, and olive oil. So this soap is a gentle soap. It's exfoliating soap for kids. It will glow their skin and keep their skin away from rashes and blemishes, all these small spots on their face. It will clear their skin. So let's get right into the video. So right now I'll be juicing the oranges. I will extract the juice. So we are using the juice to make this soap. These soap are all natural, no chemical. So stay tuned and let's make the soap together. You know, oranges are very good to the skin. It contains vitamin C. We all know that orange contains vitamin C, and vitamin C is very good for the skin. It exfoliates the skin. It also brightens the skin in a good way. It does not cause any harm to the skin. So that's why we are using it on this soap making. So you can also go and check out the benefits of vitamin C. And some people prefer to use lemon instead of orange. I prefer to use orange because orange is mild. Sometimes lemon is kind of harsh, but orange is kind of mild. Since I'm making it for kids, so it will not cause anything to them. So I want to be on the safer side. That's why I prefer to use orange, since they both contain vitamin C. If you don't like orange, you can also use pineapple. Pineapple contains vitamin C also, and it also exfoliates the skin. So that is it. So I'm done juicing the orange by now. So if you're using 5 oranges, make sure your soap is 500 gram. Make sure you are using 500 gram of soap if you're using 5 oranges. So if you're using more oranges, you use more soaps, more grams of soap. So since I'm using 5, I'll be making 500 gram of soap. Now I pour the juice into the blender. So I'll be using the orange juice to blend the carrots. So I'll be cutting my carrots into smaller pieces to allow it blend. So why do I use carrots? Carrots contain beta carotene. It's also natural lightening agents. Not like whitening, but to lighten the skin gradually, which will give you a nice skin. And it also serves as anti-aging. It gives the skin its elasticity. So this makes the skin tight and firm. That's why I'm using it. So it's very good. We all know that anything that contains carrot is very good. You can also use other vegetables like cucumber, but I prefer to use carrot. And mind you, this soap is for everyone, either you're light skin, dark skin, chocolate skin, you can use this soap. So it does not change the color of your skin. It will only brighten and exfoliate the skin. It will only brighten, it does not bleach the skin, because they're all natural ingredients. So their natural ingredient does not alter the skin at all in any way. So it is very good. even adults can also use it. If you know you have sensitive skin, like very very sensitive skin, you can use it. And to us that has acne prone skin, this is very very good for us. If you know you have acne prone skin, this soap is very good. You can use this as a face soap just to wash your face. It will clear all the pimples, acne, dark spots, hyperpigmentation. This soap will clear it. Instead of us looking for facial scrub, scrub this, scrub that, just use this soap to exfoliate your skin gradually. It really works, I bet you. I do use it sometimes, but this is mainly for kids. I do use it on my face because I know I have acne prone skin. This is very 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 good. So after blending, I'm going to juice it, remove the juice from it. I'm going to remove the juice from it. So this is it. If you don't want to throw the remnants of this juice, like these particles, if you don't want to throw it, you can also put it under the sun and dry it. Blend it into powder. Use it as face mask, or rather you can also even use it as soap. Again, like all this powder, a lot of people that put powders in their soap. If you like putting powder in your soap, you can put this under the sun and let it dry. You blend it with dry blender. It will become your powder. You can use it as face mask also. Just add some oils in it and a little water. You're good to go. Use it as acne face mask so you don't waste anything out of it. It will become carrot and let's say vitamin C face mask, so it will not waste in any way. So try as much as possible to remove the juice. So after removing the juice, I'll be adding in my oils. So I'll be using 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You see the juice, very beautiful. So I'll be using 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You know, olive oil is moisturize the skin because of the vitamin C in it. So olive oil will bring down the harshness and also moisturize the skin, because some people tend to react with vitamin C. They will tell you it makes their skin dry, but with this olive oil in it, it will moisturize the skin. And palm oil, we all know that palm oil is very very good to the skin. Palm oil is very very nice to the skin. It removes every blemishes, every rashes, every reaction that might come up. This palm oil will remove it, and it will make the skin glow and shiny. So that's why I'm using palm oil. If you are having any reaction on your skin, palm oil is the best solution for you. So it is very very health wise beneficial. So this is the soap. This is 500 grams of Ghana white soap. I like to use this white soap because it's mild. If you don't get this white one, you can also use the black one. They are all the same, but I prefer using this one because this one foams a little bit to go a long way. It has a lot of foam, so that's why I prefer using it. And mind you, I'm also making it for kids. If you can't get, it's not compulsory you use the white one. If you can't get this white one, you can use the normal Nigerian black soap. You are good to go. So after putting this inside the juice, I will let it sit till the next day. So I will let it sit till the next day, and after the next day I will mix all together. So you can double boil it if you want, but I don't want any heat on this soap, so I'll just let it sit till the next day to let the soap and the juice soak together. Then I'll mix everything the next day. Just let it sit, have the patience to allow it sit for 24 hours, so you see the end result of the soap. So now this is the next day. This is how it's looking. So we'll mix it with our spoon, spatula, anything you have, anything at your disposal, you can use it to mix it. So this is how it's looking. This is when I'm mixing it. So I'll mix it properly off the camera. You have to mix it about like 10 to 15 minutes, so that everything will incorporate together. So after mixing it, you look for a container that is very clean. You wash your container, sterilize it, and store it. After, make sure you mix it properly. So I've washed my container and sterilized it. So I'll just put it in there. So this soap is all natural. They are all natural, no chemical in it, just natural. So this is a DIY natural glowing. So this will glow your skin, exfoliate and glow your skin at the same time, and also brighten the kids' skin. So this is how it's looking right now. See how beautiful this soap is. See how beautiful this soap is. You don't have to waste your money in buying expensive soap. You can just do it for yourself or the kids. So thanks for watching. Please like and share my video, and leave a beautiful comment in the comment section.